Hello, friends. Wish you all a very good morning. Today, I came to share my knowledge on the word Godan in India, which simply we understand to charity a cow. But in this video, I will share is this only one thing to charity a cow, or something more else it is also. And also, I will share whether you shall do it before alive or after death. So stay tuned. So let's move. First, learn the meaning of Godan. In Shastras, there are four meanings of Godan. First, Janana means knowledge. Second, Gaman means to travel to one's final destination. Third, Prapti, the act of receiving something. And the fourth one, which is a goal of every human. If it is not, then it should be a goal of every human because it is moksha, liberation. So now let's understand these all four meanings. Very firstly, go is synonymous with each four of these meanings. Yes. So Godan thought does not simply means donating a cow in charity. It also means giving knowledge to someone. Before this life ends, you should share whatever you had gained in this lifetime with as many people as you can. Suppose you had learned and mastered playing the sitar, but you passes away without passing on this knowledge to someone else, then you have not performed Godan in your life, because Godan is attainment of and liberation which comes with sharing. In this video, you will learn many more about this. So, proceeding towards that, sharing all of your knowledge that you have received with everyone else is Godan. So, another meaning of Godan is Gaman. It means to progress in life. When you move forward ahead in life and also help others to move forward, then it is progress. Gaman means to reach a final destination in life, and it also means to be full and complete content with yourself. The third meaning is Prapti. I believe this too happens with knowledge. Prapti means to become content and happy, to get what you have wanted for more, what you had eager to achieve it. And when you once achieve it, it makes you completely happy. And so do your surroundings too. The fourth meaning is knowledge or moksha. Knowledge helps in the smooth running of life, and it also helps one to achieve great things in life. Prapti has always been a very good content to always stick towards your own goals. Because when once you desire something, that makes you craziest to achieve it. And if you are not called craziest, mad to achieve it, then your goals are too short. You need to make them wide, because your identity shall be wide and loud. Absolutely, I mean these words. So now the question comes, is it necessary for liberation to share our knowledge? The answer is yes. Knowledge is wisdom, sharing is wisdom, Prapti is wisdom. And to move ahead is wisdom. And to keep moving, keep your ball rolling in the ground is a wisdom. So, hereby, with a good message to have a very nice day, I see you all. Bye. Stay home, stay safe.